How to turn off repeated notifications on your iPhone. If your iPhone keeps reminding you about unread messages or alerts, you can disable repeat notifications in just a few taps. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Notifications. Next, scroll down and select Messages. From there, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Customize Notifications. Finally, tap Repeat Alerts to view the available options. You'll see several options, including Never, Once, Twice, and more. To stop repeated notification alerts completely, simply select Never. Your changes are saved automatically. From now on, your iPhone will notify you only once instead of repeating the same alert multiple times. Keep in mind that this setting mainly applies to the Messages app and certain built-in notifications. Many third-party apps, such as Instagram or WhatsApp, manage repeated alerts through their own notification settings, or may not support repeat alerts at all. And that's it. You've successfully turned off repeated notifications on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.